So here's the second snowstorm. I just showed you a little bit of the walk around, and this was 2 feet of snow that we had before, and now overnight this is piling up again. See, all the parking lot cars are covered, all the trees are covered. Yeah, this is New England, crazy cold. No, it's not that cold out here. It's just snow covered everywhere. Yep. Beautiful. I show you the birds, the yellow little birds on the tree. Oh, a hawk just tried to get them, and they're flying away. Oh, the hawk was like right on there. He just scooped down and tried to get them. That was pretty quick. It was a small hawk too. Interesting. Nature at work. Hey, look at the sun up there. The sun is trying to come out. Yeah. All right, folks. I've been out here a little while. I don't know when the snow, they say it's gonna stop at 7 o'clock tonight. We'll see. Well, stay safe wherever you are, and stay warm. And yeah, keep living and being grateful.